this is part 2. I just did my makeup. You can see it in my part 1 I did. But now let's change into this really cute tank top. And then we'll move on to my skirt. So guys, I just dressed up into this really cute pink tank top. Let's do my skirt now. So it is this really cute skirt with like little flowers on it. I think you've seen this in one of my videos, but I'm not sure. So guys, this is my cute outfit. I actually love it. It is actually so freaking cute. Why don't you? Do you think so? I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I appreciate all of you watching. And please like and subscribe if you can. Because like, I really want likes and subscribers. Please, if you can. But also,